how to adjust spacing between two paragraphs. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can adjust the spacing between two paragraphs in your MS Word document. So as here you can see, I have this sample document right here, and in this sample document I will be showing you how to adjust the spacing between these two particular paragraphs. So as you can see that under the term there are two particular distinguished paragraphs, and we want to adjust this spacing between these two paragraphs. So in order to do this, you can either click onto this line or towards this line as you wish, but I would prefer this particular line, which is the first line of the below or the second paragraph. So once you have clicked here, you need to go to the home tab, and under the home tab you will see this option of line and paragraph spacing. So you can simply click onto this line and paragraph spacing, and from here you can determine some presets, but you don't need to use these options. Instead you can use this option to add space before paragraph or remove space after paragraph. So if you click onto this add space before paragraph, a space will be added between these two paragraphs. Or apart from that, if you want to further customize this according to your preference, you can click onto this drop down arrow, and then from here you can choose the line spacing options. Once you will click onto the line spacing option, you can see that we have this particular dialog box that appears, and from here you can choose the indents and spacing, and from here you can see this is the spacing section on which we will need to focus. Now from spacing, as you can see that since we have selected this particular paragraph, so it is being previewed right here. So you can adjust the space before this paragraph, which is this space, using this particular dialog box. So if you want to decrease the space, you can simply decrease it using the downward arrow, or if you want to increase it, you can use this by using the upward arrow. So let's increase it for this particular case, and then click onto this OK button, and now you can see that the space between these two paragraphs has been successfully increased. Now similarly you can also do for the decreasing the space between these two paragraphs as well. So that's how easily you can adjust the spacing between two paragraphs, or the paragraph and line spacing in MS Word. So that was all for this tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving it a like and a subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.